17. Side brush module error. Reset heading.
Hello everyone, Hack-Free Stuff here. If you hear this error when your robot vacuum cleaner is running, it means the side brush motor is malfunctioning. Even after cleaning the brushes, and any debris that has infiltrated between the shaft and the brush, and the error persists, it is time to replace the brush motor. There are two methods of replacing the module. The first one I will present will be replacing the complete new assembly, which includes the gears, the motor, and the printed circuit board. The second method includes reusing the gearbox and printed circuit and replacing only the motor. You can find the links to purchase the components for both methods in the links below. In this video, I will replace the module in the SA50 model, but different Xiaomi models share the same chassis. In the description, I will leave the models using the same module. Disassembling the robot is extremely easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and ensuring that the dustbin is empty, so as not to dirty the work table when you turn the robot over. First, press the power button until you hear confirmation and the button lights turn off. It is not necessary to remove the dustbin or the brushes below the suction area. Firstly, we hold the side brush so we can loosen the screw that holds it to the module shaft. After removing the brush, check that no hairs or debris may be jamming the brush. To remove the balance wheel, simply pull. 7 screws must be removed from the lower base. Once removed, just pull and we will easily have access to the module. We also have access to the battery. If you prefer, this can be disconnected. I didn't do it due to the simplicity of the operation. You can also not do it at your own risk. To remove the engine module, simply remove 3 screws, and the module will be loose. You just need to pull it. The modules may have revisions and different versions, as we can see in the original and the new module, but they work the same. I have a habit of using a permanent pen to record the date on which I replace a component on the equipment, to have an idea of its lifespan when there is a need to replace it again. So this is the first method: buy the complete module and replace it with a new one. It does not involve any technical knowledge, it is a turnkey solution. The complete module had a total cost of around €8, including shipping costs. The second method, which is based on replacing the engine and reusing the gearbox and the printed circuit, involves knowing soldering because you will need to desolder the printed circuit from the old engine and solder it on the new engine. Buying just the engine costs around €2, including shipping, but involves more patience and work. To replace the engine, it is necessary to open the gearbox, removing the two visible screws. Remove the gears from the shafts. They are just over the shaft, so they will come off easily. This way we will have access to the two screws that hold the engine. The golden gear will be the most difficult part to remove. If possible, purchase the engine with it already included. It is necessary to desolder the printed circuit from the old motor and solder it to the new motor. After using the first or second method to replace the engine, simply reassemble it. If you have any doubts about how to put the lower base back together, just follow this video until the end. If this video helped to fix your problem, please use the like button and subscribe to my channel.